Hi folks, and in this video what we're going to do is we're going to start adding the isms to the actual world that we're creating. So just before we do anything else, we're going to go to our materials. We're going to go to our base material editor, and we're just going to check to see if this material is actually appearing. So we'll just set that to white like so, press the apply button, and then go to the material editor mode. And let's just put some values in here. So R for red, G for green. There we go. And press save. Cool. So the actual adding of isms component itself, what we're going to do is go to functions, add a new function, and call this add ism or add hism if you're using hierarchical instance static meshes. Now with this, what we're going to do is as followed. We're going to get the terrain type from the enumerate there, get this, and then we're going to put this into a switch. So switch on terrain type. Then with this, we have the 3 different terrain types that we can actually link to and use. In order to use these, we're then going to get the grass ism as our first one, drag out of this, and just type add instance. Not instances, just add instance of the hierarchical instance static mesh, and we're going to put that into the grass slot there. So when this goes, oh, if this terrain type is grass, it will then just add a grass ism. Now, for the terrain instance transform, we're actually going to take this and put this into the pin node in add ism, which we're then going to put in our other function, build tiles, later on. So we've now done that for adding grass. We're now going to do the next for sand. So we're going to get sand. We're going to add instance like so. And we're going to put this into here and get that world instance. And then finally, we'll do exactly the same thing for mountains. So I'm going to just Control D this, pop that into mountains, get the mountain-ism just like so, and set that to that object. Now, one thing I did notice is my material instances are all green at the moment. Bit concerned by that. We'll see what happens though when it goes through the constructor. So now we have the instances set up to add these instance static mesh components when it goes through this object. So if we go to our build tiles function, we're going to now add the add ism function to the end of this. There you go, connect those executables, and we're just going to take the transform to the set location of where it needs to be. There you go, like so. So that converts that one. And we'll do that for the true statement and also for the false statement just here.